slide which is a very very important slide for you. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि electronics manufacturing means only assembling. It is a myth. Electronics is not about assembly. This is one thing which I want to speak to my boys and girls also who are working out here. Electronics manufacturing, my dear boys and girls, it is not only assembling. It has just started. अगले 5 सालों में ये पूरी की पूरी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इवॉल्व होगी. And to the government also we want to say how this evolution will happen. This evolution will happen in 4 phases. Phase 1, which is going on right today. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बना रहे हैं, लॉन्ग टर्म स्टेबल पॉलिसीज बन रही हैं गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, सो दैट वी कैन गेट इनटू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. Next 2 years is going to be critically important when some backward integration will start. We will produce all accessories in Telangana plant, all accessories, batteries, chargers, earphones, everything. Phase 3, when all the CKD assembly will come to the country. जब हम लोगों के पास कंपोनेंट्स नहीं होंगे, हम आईसीज वहाँ से इंपोर्ट करेंगे, हम मेमोरीज वहाँ से इंपोर्ट करेंगे, हम हो सकता है कैमरे यहाँ पे बनाते हों. सो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ मिक्स एंड मैच. जब सीकेडी असेंबलीज सब इंडिया में होंगी, दैट इज़ द टाइम वी आर सेइंग 2-3 years डाउन द लाइन when we will do most of the production of CKD out here. And phase 4, final phase, when all the fabs also will come to the country. I am sure with people like our Honorable KTR, so they are going to the various governments, they are going to China, they are going to Korea, they are going to Japan, they are going to Taiwan, right? They are trying to bring in all the big manufacturers who can put the fab units out here. जब हमारे components यहीं बनेंगे, हमारी ICs यहीं बनेंगे, हमारी LED screens यहीं बनेंगी. That is going to be the 4th phase. After 6 years, everything, whatever is being sold in India and abroad will be manufactured 100% locally in India. So it is going to be in the 4th phase. That's how it looked to August 2015, where you are standing, my dear friends, boys and girls. ये plot ऐसा दिखता था. And within 6 months, I think today we are here for a very noble cause, right? And it could not have been possible without the support of Telangana government. I still remember I think in June or July, I was sitting in my cabin, I got a call from Mr. Arvind. He wanted to come to Delhi to meet me, and we met, and next 7 days, I think I was here in Hyderabad. We said, okay, we'll go and have a manufacturing unit in Hyderabad. Or within 7 days, I must appreciate, and boys and girls, I am not saying because a lot of people from the government are sitting out here. Generally, the government and the business doesn't go together, but I must appreciate the efforts of the Telangana government. It is awesome, absolutely superb. I can vouch this to anybody in the country. We had a first mover advantage, absolutely a great conducive environment. We had a cooperation from at all levels, not only at the politics level, which is the ministers level, or maybe the senior bureaucracy level, even the people at the government or at the ground staff also. हम लोगों को क्या support मिला है. I'll like to highlight one of the incidents out here. जब हम लोग यहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन करने के लिए फैक्ट्री बना रहे थे, यहाँ पर हमारे पास बिजली नहीं थी, एंड हमारे पूरे के पूरे लोग काफ़ी परेशान थे, बिजली नहीं है. एंड हम लोगों ने प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी अरविंद जी को फ़ोन किया. हमने कहा साहब हमको बिजली नहीं मिल रही है, एंड वी आर एक्चुअली फाइंडिंग इट वेरी वेरी टफ. कैन यू इमेजिन, हमने सुबह फ़ोन किया था और दोपहर को हमारे यहाँ ट्रक खड़ा था कि जहाँ पर कि वो बिजली की पूरी इरेक्शन करने आ गए थे within 4 hours. So I am happy to say promises were kept along the way. We had a quick approvals. We have actually absolutely swift pace of clearances and a great environment to stay out here. And obviously, last but not the least, TSIC services at our doorstep. Thank you, Mr. Naseem Reddy also. Now I will talk about evolution of Hyderabad campus. We were allotted a 20-acre land within a week. All project clearances within 1 month. We started the construction in August 2015, completed the construction in February 2016. We have the mobile capacity. We have the production capacity of 5 lakh units per month. We have also a capacity of manufacturing around tablets for 1 lakh per month. Now come to the employment, which is actually the most important. see ultimately industry and government, why we are together. It is for a very, very noble cause, employment. Today, within just 1 month, we have more than 650 people on rolls. आज हमारे पास 650 people हैं, and out of the 650 people, 25% people are women, and 90% of the people are our local staff. So Mr. Krishna Reddy and Mr. Mahendra Reddy, 90% of the people who are working out here are our local staff. And I promise you, sir, within next 1 month, we will increase our employment to around 1,000 people within next 1 month. We did a commitment to Telangana government. Within 1 year of operation, we will have 1,000 people. But I am happy to say that within just 3 months of completing our construction, we will have 1,000 people on rolls.